Is your New Year's resolution to relax more? A great self-care technique is to set some time out of each day to do something good for yourself, like writing down affirmations, meditating, or stretching. Another great way to relax? A massage, of course. You can go all out and spend the big bucks on a professional masseuse, but there are also incredible at-home massagers that can help alleviate any stress, aches, and pains that you might have. Best-selling foot massager, along with an incredible neck massage pillow that you can use on the road, plus a foot bath that is as easy to use as it is effective. Neck massage pillow, ergonomic designed, fits perfectly behind neck and body contours of shoulder, lower and upper back, abdomen, calf, and thigh areas. Using a neck massage pillow is an incredibly easy, effective and low-cost way to relieve sore neck muscles and prevent tension headaches, wherever you are. The neck massage pillow insteads of your hands help their body parts as neck, shoulder, back, foot, leg and calf. Soft, springy massage balls. Deep-Kneading Massage Nodes help relax and relieve muscle tightness with heating function. Heated is come from the lamp itself. Massager head can be directed clockwise or counter-clockwise as you prefer. Designed to massage acupuncture points in the neck. Combination of kneading and pinching. Easy to operate, no assembly required. Portable and easy to operate. Do you love your elder father and mother? Did you see their pain-form neck, back, shoulder with the increasing age? Do you love your wife or husband? Did you notice their sore neck, shoulder, back after work for a long time? Love them and send them a relax massager as gift to relieve their pain.